The Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister has slapped the NSA charge on all accused of murdering a man after he complained about his daughter being harassed in Hathras in Uttar Pradesh. The case was registered in 2018. Police claimed that yesterday the wife and aunt of the main accused and both daughters of the deceased had gone to a temple. They argued over the old case at the temple. The accused and the victim then came to settle it, and then they also got into the argument. The accused shot at the victim, who died while being taken to the hospital. One of the accused, Lalit Sharma, has been arrested. But this is, of course, a case that will lead to a lot of eyebrows being raised. The fact that the National Security Act has been invoked in this kind of a case.
गांव के लोग थे?
पहले उसने मेरे साथ छेड़खानी किया, मेरे पापा ने केस कर दिया और उसने चिढ़ के मेरे पापा को गोली मारी। मेरे पापा को गोली मारी। 6-7 लोग थे। मेरे पापा को यहाँ गोली मार दी, यहाँ मार देता, यहाँ की गोली मारी। क्या पहले केस चल रहा है।
पहले उसने बदतमीजी करी। क्या कर रहे थे आज वो खेत पे? क्या कर रहे थे?
आलू की खुदाई चल रही थी। मेरे पापा को कोई मतलब नहीं किसी से।
जो मृतक हैं उनके द्वारा जो मुख्य अभियुक्त गौरव शर्मा है, उसके विरुद्ध आज से 2.5 साल पूर्व जुलाई 2018 में एक छेड़खानी का मुकदमा पंजीकृत कराया गया था। इसके बाद से ही इन दोनों परिवार में लगातार मनमुटाव चल रहा था। इस घटना के बाद परिजनों की लिखित तहरीर के आधार पर 4 नामजद आरोपियों के विरुद्ध सुसंगत धाराओं में अभियोग पंजीकृत किया गया है। इन चारों अभियुक्तों के विरुद्ध सख्त से सख्त कानूनी कार्रवाई अमल में लाई जाएगी।
Let me take this across to Abhishek Mishra, who's joining us live from Lucknow. Abhishek, this perhaps is an attempt by the Yogi government to set a precedent in this kind of cases. But legally speaking, can putting up a case of NSA in this kind of a circumstance, in this kind of an incident, actually hold legally?
Well, certainly, Akshata, in this particular case, which has come up with the arrest of one of the accused, and now CM Yogi Adityanath has taken cognizance of it, and he has clearly given indications and the order to, impose NSA on this particular act. We have seen in the several cases, specifically in Hathras, the crime against women, molestation cases, and it is certain that by imposing NSA, the government wants to give a clear indication to all these accused and criminals who have set a mind against the crime against women, and that is the reason that such an act has been done by the government as far as imposing NSA is concerned. But on the other hand, in this particular case, if you see, the incident happened on Monday evening. The main accused shot the man on the spot and ran away along with his, the people who were involved in this whole case. And now the police has made the first arrest of Lalit Sharma, but the main accused is still absconding, and it is yet to be revealed when and how the police is going to arrest him. So certainly there are a lot of dimensions to it, but one thing is very clear, but by imposing NSA, the government has given clear indication that as far as such crimes are concerned, they are not going to take it lightly, and that's the reason in this particular case, once again, government is intervening by imposing NSA and trying to find what exactly happened in this whole case.
The messaging is very clear. No doubt they're trying to set a precedent by going ahead and slapping the stricter NSA in this kind of a case. The question is, can it actually hold legally at this point, considering that the National Security Act is used in certain circumstances when a person is found to be threatening national security, disrupting public order. Abhishek, thank you for joining us with those details.